What's up guys? Today we have creamy tomato soup and yummy cheese bread. Stay tuned with Raise My Night. We start by chopping vegetables. Red onion, garlics, red or orange bell pepper, and tomatoes. Place the bottom of an oven tray and add olive oil, salt, chili flakes to it layer by layer. I had some cherry tomatoes in the fridge that I added. Let it roast well in the oven for 40 minutes. Puree all the vegetables with the help of an electric blender or mixer. Add butter, brown sugar, balsamic vinegar, heavy cream and oregano to it and leave it in the oven for another 10 minutes until the flavors are well mixed. In the meantime, let's make cheese bread. We need bread, Parmesan cheese and Cheddar cheese. Toast it for 1 minute on each side. Add the last step, add Parmesan cheese and fresh basil to the soup and serve. Use whatever you like for the garnish. This soup is full of brain ingredients and prevents you from getting sick. And this cheese bread is full of deliciousness. Enjoy your meal!